Instead of looking at it from an angle of adoption and why it's safe to implement in this way, where we put the human to make sure that nothing goes wrong, in this section we're going to focus on the design of the system. Part of the design of the system is again using this stack, where we use different layers such as control layers, data layers, an orchestration layer, and intelligence layer to integrate the entire business together, to use fewer tools, to make faster changes, centralize data, and do less manual effort. So in part 6, in the next chapter, we'll look at which tools we would use. I'm going to make this example on Airtable. It's a great control layer and data storage layer. It's an all-in-one solution for these two parts of the workflow. And I'm going to use make.com as the orchestration layer, but you might use something like NAN instead if that's what you're more comfortable with. As always, we've got all of the different applications, and I'm going to show you an example from a sales system. This sales system will use the scalability unlocks such as dynamic prompting and intelligent routing. Dynamic prompting being feeding different information. This one obviously being for email personalization, where we've got the name, company name, job title, industry, and location. And that means that every record that's fed in will produce a different email. So we're actually changing the prompt, which is changing the output, and that it matches the profile or behavior or context of the output. So we can make sure that everything's personalized in this use case. Intelligent routing is where we use AI to score or change the workflow based on the output. So we can say, if yes, take the top route, if no, take the bottom route. And I'll be moving on at the end of this presentation to show you how this looks in a real world setting.